Surah, number 55, of Quran Majeed. The All-Beneficent.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
الرحمن
The All-Beneficent.
علم القرآن
Has taught the Quran.
خلق الإنسان
He created man.
علمه البيان
And taught him articulate speech.
الشمس والقمر بحسبان
The sun and the moon are disposed calculatedly.
والنجم والشجر يسجدان
And the herb and the tree prostrate to Allah.
والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان
He raised the heaven high and set up the balance.
ألا تطغوا في الميزان
Declaring, do not infringe the balance.
وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان
Maintain the weights with justice, and do not shorten the balance.
والأرض وضعها للأنام
And the earth, he laid it out for mankind.
فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام
In it are fruits and date palms with sheaths.
والحب ذو العصف والريحان
Grain with husk, and fragrant herbs.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار
He created man out of dry clay, like the potters.
وخلق الجان من مارج من نار
And created the jinn out of the flame of a fire.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
رب المشرقين ورب المغربين
Lord of the two easts, and Lord of the two wests.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
مرج البحرين يلتقيان
He merged the two seas, meeting each other.
بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان
There is a barrier between them, which they do not overstep.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
يخرج منهما اللؤلؤ والمرجان
From them emerge the pearl and the coral.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
وله الجوار المنشآت في البحر كالأعلام
His are the sailing ships on the sea, appearing like landmarks.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
كل من عليها فان
Everyone on it is ephemeral.
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام
Yet lasting is the majestic and munificent face of your Lord.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شأن
Everyone in the heavens and the earth asks him. Every day he is engaged in some work.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
سنفرغ لكم أيها الثقلان
Soon we shall make ourselves unoccupied for you, O you notable two.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
يا معشر الجن والإنس إن استطعتم أن تنفذوا من أقطار السماوات والأرض فانفذوا لا تنفذون إلا بسلطان
O company of jinn and humans! If you can pass through the confines of the heavens and the earth, then do pass through. But you will not pass through except by an authority from Allah.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران
There will be unleashed upon you a flash of fire and a smoke, then you will not be able to help one another.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان
When the sky is split open, and turns crimson like tanned leather.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان
On that day neither humans will be questioned about their sins nor jinn.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام
The guilty will be recognized by their mark, so they will be seized by their forelocks and feet.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون.
This is the hell which the guilty would deny.
يطوفون بينها وبين حميم آن.
They shall circuit between it and boiling hot water.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
ولمن خاف مقام ربه جنتان.
For him who stands in awe of his Lord will be 2 gardens.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
ذواتا أفنان.
Both abounding in branches.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
فيهما عينان تجريان.
In both of them will be 2 flowing springs.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان.
In both of them will be 2 kinds of every fruit.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق وجنى الجنتين دان.
They will be reclining on beds lined with green silk, and the fruit of the 2 gardens will be near at hand.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان.
In them are maidens of restrained glances, whom no human has touched before, nor jinn.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان.
As though they were rubies and corals.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان.
Is the requital of goodness anything but goodness?
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
ومن دونهما جنتان.
Beside these 2, there will be 2 other gardens.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
مدهامتان.
Dark green.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
فيهما عينان نضاختان
In both of them will be two gushing springs.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
فيهما فاكهة ونخل ورمان
In both of them will be fruits, date palms and pomegranates.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
فيهن خيرات حسان
In them are maidens good and lovely.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
حور مقصورات في الخيام
Is secluded in pavilions.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان
Whom no human has touched before, nor jinn.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
متكئين على رفرف خضر وعبقري حسان
Reclining on green cushions and lovely carpets.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So which of your Lord's bounties will you both deny?
تبارك اسم ربك ذي الجلال والإكرام
Blessed is the name of your Lord, the majestic and the munificent.